What kind of fingerboarder are you?
Yeah, boom, the sound consumes.
All I hear, go get the money, so I go get it. Hey.
What kind of fingerboarder are you? What kind of fingerboarder are you?
Chin up by tomorrow's a new year, little.
Today in Do Your Expensive Stuff Yourself, The Expensive Bench. $2.49 only. You can find this in any cheap store. Step 1. Take measurements. Step 2. Use a metal cutting blade. Why? 'Cause wood is like metal in my heart. Step 3. Use a metal file for the same reason. Step 4. Finish with sandpaper to make up for your incompetence. Sheesh bro, it's so dope and unexpensive. And now the final touch.